Hello, my name is Maddie Tinsley and I am an intern here at Louisiana's Old State Capitol. Today, in celebration of our new exhibit, George Washington, Man and Myth, I am going to be teaching you how to dress like a colonial general or colonial lady using objects that you have lying around the house. This is a super fun activity for all ages and it's perfect for the 4th of July. So let's get started. What you're going to need to make the hat for a colonial general is you're going to need construction paper. You can use any color, but I'm using black. You're going to need scissors, a stapler or some glue, and then optional are some curling ribbon, some white curling ribbon, and any little decorations you might want to add to your hat. To start, take your template that can be found on the Louisiana Old State website and cut it out. Once you have your template cut out, you can take it and trace its outline on one of these black sheets of construction paper. I have one right here that I've pre-traced, and then once you trace it, you can cut out this and then repeat that 3 times. A fun fact about George Washington is that in addition to being a renowned general of the Continental Army, he was also incredibly well known for being very well dressed. He was once quoted as saying there is nothing that defines a man's character more so than his dress, and he could always be seen fussing over his buttons or his jacket or his shoes. You are going to repeat that 3 times until you have 3 outlines of your hat, and these are going to be the 3 sides of your tricorn hat. And so then taking whatever you have around the house, you can use a glue stick, hot glue, I'm using a stapler. You are going to attach the ends of the hat to one another, like so. Now you have the base of a tricorn hat. And then, for another fun touch, if you have some white string or curling ribbon, you can attach curls. George Washington, in an effort to look more distinguished, was well known to powder his hair as early as 30. So, if you add little curls like this, you can have your own tricorn hat with a powdered wig. Then voila, now you have your own tricorn hat with a powdered wig, just like George Washington. And at this point, you can do whatever you want to decorate your hat and really make it your own. If you'd like, you can draw a crest to match it, or if you have any little flowers or ribbons, you can decorate it. And now, your tricorn hat is complete.